Checking, triple checking, checking in, checking out. Hello, hello, everybody, anybody. Echo, echo, echo. Okay. All right. We're getting ready to start. Welcome, all you YouTube crazies, because that's where most of my viewers come from. YouTube's the tube of yous. All right. I drank a little bit last night, so I might be silly on stream. I guess that's how it works. But we're going to do some coding. As you can see, I have lots of thoughts, lots of ideas that some have bubbled to the top of this text file. Others have not bubbled yet, but we're bubbling. Actually, I'm drinking coffee, so. So the idea here is, I don't know. Let's go to Codingame and get started. Let's go to Codingame and get started. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Oh, there we go. Codingame. It's a song in my ears. Okay, let me turn it down, I guess. All right. Uh-oh.
Infinite Coder 01. Hot.
Infinite Coder. How you doing? What's happening? Congrats, you're a new IT guy, and your job is to see if the IP is linked to GitLab, free desktop or GStreamer streamer issues. Uh-oh, what's that, bro? What's that? Whoa, bright screen. Due to an influx of spam, we've had to impose restrictions on new accounts. Oh, okay. What is this? Video test source pattern equals black, cardio carry overlay. What is this? What is this? GStreamer, a repository. Oh, is this a repository of something? Oh, I did some debugging. Oh, and from what I can tell, SEGV happens once, once RTMP2 sync tries to connect even more, the first frame is being rendered, which can be delayed by setting. One of the guys has been responding on my itch, and it made me think of what you were working on. Let me show you the comments. Now this guy didn't make a purchase and try it out, but he's been asking me. He started out.
After I streamed for 26 hours last night, I've got an error. And
Oh.
they suggested me to upgrade to RTMP2 sync. And I've got a problem.
Because he was talking about this spout. And apparently it takes output in real time like a stream, and it streams the output from shaders. I don't know if that's something similar to what you're working on or whatever, but I had no idea what this guy was talking about. And he's like, can we do this? Can we do that? And I'm like, probably. But yeah, I don't know if that's similar to you or it would help you or what. But are you trying to develop your own spout thing? Your own custom spout? Or am I way off track? Also, GST launch fails too.
01. I'm buffering every 2 seconds.
I'm buffering every 2 seconds. After I streamed 26 hours, I got an error and they suggested me to upgrade to RTMP2 sync, and I've got a problem. Oh my. RTMP to sync seg fault on Raspberry Pi 3B. Okay. Dude, you got a Raspberry Pi 3B. Woo! Screen. Okay. What are we looking at? 1.4 gig, 64-bit quad-core processor, dual-band wireless Bluetooth. Okay. Oh, PoE. Okay, cool. Launched on Pi Day. Oh yeah, I'm sure. A micro SD card with Raspberry Pi OS installed. Yeah, my last workplace bought four Raspberry Pis, and I was the only one that understood them. And then they just decided not to use them because in the way in which we would have had to make use of them, I mean, it would have been exceedingly well. I would have been the one to have to manage everything.
Infinite Coder 01. Raspberry Pi is a small, not really powerful computer.
No, but it's good for certain things. It's really good for actually. It's really good for what you're trying to do. It's really good for
Infinite
video
Coder 01
and audio.
that people love using for servers.
Let me go into here and turn that down so I can turn up my mic there. There we go. But yeah, it would be good for simple, yeah, like as a Wi-Fi router and a filter, so you can keep track of all the traffic or something. It would also be good for audio video. It would be good for behind the scenes.
Infinite Coder 01. Well, streaming is really resource consuming.
Yeah, the streaming, the thing that gets you there is going to be the encoding and the decoding and encoding.
Infinite Coder 01. Pi 5 is like 5 times faster than 3D.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, if only there was a way that you could just use the Pi, use the Raspberry Pi to output video and not do any encoding, and then send it to another computer to do the encoding. That would help you. Like or you could do it the other way around, but you probably don't want to do that. Do all the encoding on a desktop, stream it to the Pi, and then the Pi can stream just pass through. But yeah. Whoops. Okay. Oh, your job is to see if the address is IPv4, IPv6, or none. You have 15 minutes to make this program before your job starts.
01. There are some hardware encoders, which help me achieve 30 FPS 720p.
Really?
But the thing that breaks me is RTMP, network part.
Oh. Because that's even more, that's encryption, isn't it? Isn't it, I think? I have no idea. It's an acronym, so. Let's see what that says. You'll get a string input, and based on that, you'll need to check if the address format is one of the following: IPv4, IPv6. 8 strings consisting of characters and numbers length.
I'm using Raspberry Pi, because I can have it running 24/7 just streaming the event while I'm sleeping, but America is awake. Infinite Coder 01. I'm capped at my network.
America's awake, but on the New Year's Eve, most people are going to be drinking. They're going to be out. They're going to be partying. There's going to be fireworks. There's going to be, yeah, they'll all be at the clubs. It's going to be insane. I will be sleeping. I will be sleeping. I mean, look, yeah. Sunday to Monday, I'll be sleeping because I work on Monday. So. 8 strings consisted of characters and numbers, and the length of each part is exactly 4. The length of each part, oh, I see.
Infinite Coder 01. Well, it's a week long.
Oh, over the whole break, from Christmas to New Year's. Oh, that's crazy. That's cool. Everybody will be on vacation, out of work, home and inside. Keep in mind some IP addresses maybe are missing a character or two, and letters could be mixed up with upper and lower case. IPv6 can only contain A, B, C, D, E, F letters and numbers, while IPv4 contains numbers only. Okay. Okay, what did it say? Real-time messaging protocol. Oh, right. It's a protocol used for streaming audio, video, and data over the internet in real time. Hey, I wonder if there's a way. Is there a way that you could detect, if you could detect your frames per second, right? And let's say you're doing video and audio, right? And your frames per second starts to fall short of something that you want. Can you switch to just audio on the fly? And then when you get back caught up, then go back to video. But keep the same video freeze frame until your audio catches up. Is that something you can do? That would be interesting. I've never thought about any of that, so you're just kind of getting my brain going, and that's all I got on that so far. But yeah. So shoot, I got 4 minutes to do this? I don't know if I can do it in 4 minutes.
Infinite Coder 01. I'm detecting my FPS.
Yeah, so I wonder if you could switch just to audio certain times and then switch back to video. I don't know, that whole streaming thing, that just seems kind of like a fascinating thing to me. It does. Why do they always do this? Why do they do this? Why? Ba-ba-bum. Well, we'll see what we can do in 4 minutes, maybe.
Infinite Coder 01. I think there are options for RTMP, but I have to send frames to YouTube, or the stream will just die.
Ah. 4 numbers who are less or equal.
Infinite Coder 01. Actually, sending the same frame would compress to nothing.
Compress to nothing? Four numbers who are less or equal to 55 and higher than 0, and the format is the following. Yeah, must not contain negative numbers. Right. Okay. So 4, 12, 15. But what we want to do is look at each one of those numbers and make sure that they are less than or equal to 255. Oh. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do that in 2 minutes. We're good. Next. I should have looked at their code, but whatevs. Did I check my email? I'm going to check my email real quick. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. That sort of thing. I'm just going to check. my email. I have a hunch of nothing. Okay. Now what's this? Oh, okay. Hmm. Okay.
Infinite Coder 0.
Excuse me.
LBS scene for be right back.
All right, I'm going to put the video back here. We're good. All right, let's do the. What's this? Is that a bullet? The coding bullet. This looks like a bullet with a ham bone smiley face, whatever. They're, a ham and a bullet both have the same kind of a
Infinite Coder 0.
Alibaba.
Code bullet.
Code bullet, yeah. The multiplicative persistence. What? Given an integer and an input. In math, the multiplicative persistence is a tongue twister of n magnitude. No. Of n is the number of times we can multiply the digits n together before reaching a single digit number. What? What? The number of times we can multiply
Infinite
the digits.
0,
Oh no.
There is a YouTube channel for Code Bullet.
Really? Oh. It's probably that person's channel. Oh, I'm competing with the coding bullet. Okay, so multiplicative persistence. So what is the number of times we can multiply the digits of n together before reaching a single digit number? Oh, okay. Well, if it contains 0, then it's 1. Long n. Oh boy, so the number gets huge. Well, first of all, let's see if I can even get just the digits. So, string s equals toString. What is it? 2 underscore string? Okay, n. Integer value. Will that work? And now let's see out s. Like that. Boom. The multiple. Okay. Alright. So we want s of I each time. So now each time we want to convert to an integer and add a multiplication. Okay. So integer start, or wait, integer t equals 1. T times equals, and then is it just int s of I, like that? And now each time we want to go like that. T times equals. So first it's 1. T times s sub I. Oh, I see. So this is not a number yet. So it's doing the, oh, son of a bean dip. Do I have to convert to, well, we can do it another way as well. We can just subtract. If we subtract 0, that should, there we go. That's a little better. So now we're getting down, okay. And then right here, well, we want to keep track. Int c equals 0. Okay. So each time through, we want to go c++. Haha, that's funny. Sorry. Each time through, we want to go c++, and then we want to go if t is less than 10, c out c. Okay? Otherwise, reloop it. So do while. So we'll go like this. And then we'll also just break. I know, but whatever. Break? Why is it giving me the... Now all this, of course... But we don't want to print this each time. But did it get down? No, it didn't. So what we need to do each time through here is, if t is that, okay, otherwise, oh, and we don't want to start c with 0 each time here. That's going to be the count through here. So c equals 0. So where do we do c++? Let's do it right up here, I guess. So C++. So start out at 1. Okay, there's 1, and then go through here. Do this if t is less than 0. Otherwise, break. Okay. Otherwise, t equals 1. What am I doing? No, what we want to do. What did we start out with? An integer. Convert to a string. Okay. So the integer that. Hold on. S.size, it's a string. So the integer that we want to convert is, so S is equal to string t then. And do it all over until we get, and then, well, alright, let's see it print out. Did that do it? Are we good? 5. Boom. We're getting it. Holy Moses. Blah, blah. Whoops, what happened here? What if 0 is less than n is less than equal to 9? Failure. Found 1, expected 0. What? Oh, it starts out. Oh, son of a bean dip. I thought I counted that here, and it's just C++. So the answer isn't 1? The answer is 0. Oh. So what wouldn't we go here? We would go here, C++. No, hold on. All the other cases, oh man, it's just this one. It's just this one. What if 0 is less than n is less than 9? It's already 1 digit. That's what they're saying. So then just go like this. Hold on. You want to throw that in? I'm going to throw this in. If n is less than or equal to 9, and n is greater than or equal to 0, okay, then cout 0. Can you do that? Else, then do this, you happy little camper. Happy little camper. Over here, we're going to put a happy little camper. Okay. Now check them. Check them. Check them all. Check them all again. Oh, they're all freezing on pending. We're not going to get a score no matter what. It doesn't matter, everybody. Nothing's happening. We're not going to get a score. This number is huge. Okay, well, we're not going to deal with a huge number. We're just going to go like that. And we still got 100. Is it glitched? I don't care. I don't care. We're done with the clash either way. Okay, length is that. T plus I that. Okay, alright, whatever. Yeah, cool. Alright. Am I warmed up or am I warmed down? I don't know. So what we want to do is one of these things. I don't even know. Ability to save and load functions for each shader type. Just add just a function. Okay, so let's try the other thing too. Geometry shader function here. So first I want to do emit vertex with text chords. Excuse me, that was really cool. Okay, so what if we do, excuse me, front face. Okay. First of all, let's load up the thing and see what we got here. What do we have? We have that one. Okay. So this is vertex, geometry, fragment shader. Okay, so what we're not wanting to do this. Actually, we are, but so the thing to do with these is, because these will stop working because they're all using GL point chord. So what we should do is convert them back to accepting but not yet. We're not there yet. We're going to eventually convert them all back to accepting a coordinate system. So we'll send in either GL point chord or the texture coordinates will be sent in from the pipeline. All right. So what do we want to do? Planet Pixel is cool. Planet Pixel is cool. I couldn't get the we should really make this a function. See, and one of the first things we should do here is let's have a thing. Fragment shader code. First of all, is this box, it's slightly transparent and I can see through. All right. What is it? Excuse me. What is it? A pop-up or a modal or what are we doing with the? Where? Now we're getting into code. I can feel my brain kicked into an issue. Hold on. I like this one. Let me turn it up and I have to go to the bathroom. Be right back.
Infinite Coder 01, I found a similar issue, link to GitLab. Infinite Coder 01, this probably means that I'll need to compile the latest version of Streamer.
Okay, sorry about that. Did I ask ChatGPT? Oh. Oh yeah, then I was deciding, is it a pop-up or where is it? Where's the show I am GUI? So, Ultimate Shader Playground, set window, show instructions, and it just starts. It's just a window in general. Okay. It's been a while since we chatted about the coding, so I'm going to throw in the C++, yeah. In IMGUI, you can control the transparency of a window. Thank you. By using IMGUI window flags when calling the IMGUI begin. Specifically use the IMGUI window flags no background flag to make the window transparent. Oh, cool. Render UI, set transparency by using IMGUI window flags no background. Transparent window, null pointer, IMGUI window flags, no background. Your window content goes here, IMGUI. In your rendering loop. Huh. Transparent. Oh. So, is there a way... Wait, what? Okay. Bum 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 bum. Oh, okay, let's try that. And then afterwards we'll pop the style, that's fine. Excuse me, so is that before I call the window right here? Do we want to just hard code it? I don't think I really need a... Bum, bum, ba, bum. Then we'll go through the whole window. Not that it matters much. Bum, ba, ba, ba. Sorry for singing. Pop the alpha value from the style stack. Boom. Alright, let's see what that does. I'm not convinced, but maybe it'll be cool. I don't want it to... Yeah, see, it's transparent now, but then you can't see it. Alright, that works. So maybe we could just... I think we're on the right track, but I would say we want to... Whoops, went too far. Computer, go back down. Okay. Let's go to 8. Okay, that's a little better. Excuse me. We could even have a little float, a little whatchamacallit. We could adjust the transparency, but I think 8 is. I don't think it's that important for it to be transparent, but let's go 8.5. I don't know, that might be too. Just in general, it might be too. See, this is actually really good level of transparency, which is almost what we had before. It's just a little bit more transparent, but the fact that you can control it is kind of cool. But okay, so let's leave it at that. Maybe we could later add that as a little slider. Okay, so the other thing. So let's do this because we're going to be working with. So initially I have like this mode, okay? So I have this mode right here where you can scroll down and up and all the text boxes are expanded out and everything. So what if we set it up okay, perfect, thank you. Excuse me. Certainly, to make the text boxes resizable and snappable in IMGUI, you can use IMGizmo library, what? Which provides resizing and snapping capabilities. Here's a basic example demonstrating resizable and snappable text boxes. IMGizmo? What? That seems cool. Make sure you have the IMGizmo header and the corresponding source file included in your project. You can find these files in the IMGUI examples or on the official IMGizmo GitHub repository. I don't even think I have. Do I have that? Does that come with it? What? IMGizmo.
Infinite Coder 01. IMGUIZMO is for UI for games/game engines. Infinite Coder 01. I've tried it once.
Oh, cool. Interesting. Resizing false is snapped false. Text box text height. Get view matrix. What? Oh, I don't want to do all that. Hold on, let me see if it's included with what I've got. Hold on. I'm not sold on ChatGPT's answer here or this IMGizmo just yet. Hold on. I don't think I have it. Yeah, I don't have it and I don't want to use it necessarily. I wasn't thinking, from what I know of IMGUI, it already does what I want it to do. Okay. IMGUI already does what I want it to do, certainly. See, there we go. That's just the most I want to include libraries to do my work way to do it. I want to learn a little bit. Okay, this is what I want. Later on, when we're doing optimizations, when we're expanding our repertoire, when we're feeling a little bit more when coding pays my bills, then we're going to do that kind of stuff. For now, we're going to learn it all. We're going to learn the lowest level possible. Is this one in my favorites? Oh, it is. Okay. Alright. Computer, are we done? Oh, good. Text box is drawn with a border. Resizing is achieved by tracking mouse movements and adjusting the text box width height accordingly. The snapping behavior is controlled by the isSnapped flag, and resizing is controlled by the isResizing flag. This implementation doesn't use external libraries and relies solely on IMGUI Basic. Good. So is resizing is snapped. I don't know what it's thinking about when it says snapped. Show the snap toggle button. Toggle snap. Check if resizing is allowed. If is not snapped. Oh. Same line, show the resize toggle button. Button, toggle resize. Okay. Toggle snap. There's two buttons. Get the position of the text box. Draw a border around... Oh, it goes off the screen. That's what I hate the most about this. So I have to create a new text file, open it up, copy it in, just to look at the word wrap stuff. Okay, draw a border around the text box. Oh, alright. Resize and snap the text box if is resizing. Is resizing. Toggle snap. Where is resizing set? Oh, when you hit the button, show the resize toggle button. Interesting. Resize and snap the text box. Mouse position equals IMGUI get mouse position. If IMGUI is mouse down 0 and IMGUI is... This is what I want. Okay, I don't want this to wrap. We're not going to wrap that. Is mouse hovering rect? Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Okay. Is mouse... That's awesome. Text box position, text box X with Y height. Okay. Ah, that's cool. Well, there you go. Is mouse hovering rectangle?
Okay, I'm building GStreamer.
You're building GStreamer. Oh, okay. Okay, resize the text box based on mouse movement, text box width, height, draw the text box, input text multi-line shader code, null pointer, IMVec2, text box width, height. That's it. Oh, okay. So, basically we're adding two buttons and affecting the parameters or whatever.
So I'm building it from source.
They say that my problem was fixed in the later version, so I'm building it from source. Oh, cool. Okay. So do I want to do this for each one here? What do we do? So begin, resizable and snappable text box. So if we add a button and then a button, and then text boxing that, draw window list, get window draw list, add rect. What? Draw a border around the text box. Why is there a border around the text box? What? We don't really care, do we? Draw the text box? I don't know. These don't really have a border. Is that for the purpose of what? Catching? Draw a border around the text box. Get mouse position, text box position. Oh, because it wants to add the rectangle to this. Get the position of the text box. Get cursor screen position. That's as it's drawing it though. Text box there. Get window draw list. Why are you getting window draw list? Add rect. Draw a border. Why does it do this border? I don't understand. Because within the actually, isn't it just like this? Right here? Hold on, before I do all this extra I follow what ChatGPT is saying, but I don't agree with the approach. Oh wait, what's this? Renew Plus, ChatGPT 3.5, what? Oh, do I have to? Oh, hold on. I might have to pay to upgrade ChatGPT because the subscription expired. I thought it was on auto update. Hold on just a second. Renew Plus. I thought I was on Plus. Upgrade to Plus. You unplussed me. White screen. Oh, white screen. Do you want my payment or do you want to show me this white screen? Wow. And should I really renew right now when they just ousted their CEO, who seems quite awesome? Or should I wait until Microsoft takes over? Okay, I'm not going to renew
Infinite
just yet.
Coder 01. Your payment is yad suffocation in.
Payment is not what? Your payment is... I don't know what you just said. I have no idea what you just said. Your payment
Infinite
is
Coder
you...
01. Asterisk suffering.
Why is it suffering? So I'm not going to renew because I forgot that it's... I really don't understand the future of OpenAI when they just got rid of their CEO. And Microsoft literally just bought their CEO, so... What? Oh, that was suffering for sure, but that isn't related to the payment. That happens all over the internet. They got to fix that. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, let's just go with 3.5 for now. I'll use, don't tell ChatGPT 3.5, but I'll use Bing if necessary. Okay, because Bing is Microsoft, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay, there you go. Let's see. So really what I want to do...
For example, the new XAI.
What I want to do is just this part right here. I forgot how to do this. See how it snaps back? And you notice when I drag this out, the text box that's contained within there also gets dragged out. So that's all I want, is for that to stay right there. And that will fix the whole problem of everything. So that's it. One setting is all it is. So let me just queue that up and then I'll look at chat. So when I drag the
Infinite Coder
window
01, do you have set window size before you
border,
begin?
specifically the right X border, it snaps back, and I don't want that. I want it to stay where I drag it. Can you please help with code for this? Okay, now let's go back to chat. There are a lot of AIs now. For example, the news ad, Bing is terrible. Do you have set window size before you begin? Oh, I don't know. This is the one thing. This will probably be it right here. What happened to my music? I have two different things now. Let's go here. Boop, bop, beep. Open it up. Get rid of the blue screen before it hits up. Okay. To prevent the window from snapping back when dragging the right border, you can use the IMGUI set window resize function to disable automatic window resizing. Here's the modified code. To disable automatic window resizing. Oh, okay. What are we doing here? Button toggles. No. Now it's continuing on with the same.
Infinite Coder 01, no. Set window resize is for user resize.
That's what I want. I don't want what's doing right now. I want the user to resize. Okay, in this modification, set window resize is used to control when the window resizing is allowed. Okay, where is this at?
Infinite Coder 01, you don't want the user to resize?
Yes, I do. I absolutely do. Absolutely. Where's it at? Where's it at? See, it's got this other code in here. That's not what I want.
Infinite Coder 01, so you don't need set window resize.
Set window resize user control when the window resizing is allowed, and when resizing is allowed, automatic window resizing is disabled. Using set window resize IMGUI condition always when resizing is not allowed.
You probably need to get rid of set next window size or something.
Excuse me. When resizing is not allowed, automatic resizing is enabled with that. So where is this at? Set window. Oh, right here. That's it. Oh. Disable automatic window resizing. Oh, it puts it as a toggle button. Thank you, IMGUI. Alright. So I put this inside the begin? Alright. This is why we use ChatGPT for understanding things like IMGUI. Because it makes no sense. Okay, where's it begin? Right here. Set window size. That's the instructions. Go right there. Okay, there we go. Oh, there's an issue. There's an issue. What's the issue? Namespace IMGUI has no member set window resize. Hold on, let me go get it here. Namespace IMGUI has no member set window resize. Let me get the exact error while it's writing a little essay about the problem right now. Hold on. Okay, where's the first error? That's all, I realize. There we go. Set window resize is not a member of IMGUI. It's not a member of IMGUI. Alright, are you done? Are you done? I apologize for the confusion. It seems I made an error in my response. It seems I made an error in my response. Yeah, this is 3.5 alright. Oh my gosh. IMGUI set window resize is not a valid IMGUI function. Oh my god. To achieve the desired behavior, you can manually handle resizing by checking the mouse position during the frame and adjusting the window size accordingly. You know, that's not it though. That's not it. That's not it at all. That's literally not it. I know that it's a window, whatchamacallit. Shoot.
Infinite Coder 01. Just get rid of set window size.
No, it's not that. No. It's a thing. Hold on. Sorry, I even tried to put the microphone away on that one, but... Okay, so it's right in here, and it's one of the flags. And I've used it before. I don't want to pull open the demo.
Infinite Coder 01. You're constantly setting the window size, so you can't just resize it.
Using IMGUI, is there a flag for instantiating the window to allow the user to resize the window? Excuse me. I should go rinse out these glasses and grab some water. Cafe Vive. Yes, there's a flag in IMGUI for allowing the user to resize the window. However, by default, IMGUI windows are resizable. If you want to make a window non-resizable, you can use the IMGUI flag's no resize flag. If you use this flag and want to make the window resizable again, simply don't include this flag when you call IMBegin. Wait. I don't use this. I don't use that anywhere in my code. I think the problem is then... There's the set window. Okay, let's take this one out since it doesn't exist.
Infinite Coder 01. You're always setting your window size to 500 x
Set window size. Oh, it's right here. It's the set window size. I think that's the problem. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. There we go. Let's just leave it like this. So the user can work and do all this. They can see behind it. And then when they want to, they can do this as well. And then as they're working, you want to scroll down. However, we do want to set the maximum size. We want to set the maximum size on the Y because I can't see the bottom of it. So we need to... Yes, there is. You just send in the Y, the X size each time. And it'll tell me that. Okay.
Infinite Coder 01. Set next window size constraints. IPEC2. FLT_min.
What is that little picture?
IPEC2. 100.0f. 100.0f.
All right. So current size equals get window size. set next window size, current size X, new height. Oh, so we want the height to be permanent. Yeah, get the current window size. And then set next window size. Okay. So that'll work. So right up in here, show instructions. We don't even want the show instructions. That's from the other thing. Okay, so we're going to put that in. Get the current window size. Set the next window size, but keep the current width. Current size dot x. Okay. And then the new height, we're going to set it for, what was it, 850? Is that a float? Is that an integer? I don't even know. IMVec2. Get current size. I don't. It's an IMVec2. We'll see if it's a float or an integer. Hold on. And there we go. Okay. Looks like it's still a little too large. I don't know that it's actually working. It might be errored out. It looks exactly the same as before. So let's try a float. I could probably just look it up, but let's just try it. It's quicker. Might be the same. Yeah, so let's try a little smaller. Let's try something that we know is not going to override the screen.
Infinite Coder 01. Add command read chat.
Okay, so it's not applying that. Is it an integer then? If it's an integer, why didn't I get an error when I sent it? Alright, nope, that's not working. So that does not set the height right there. Oh, because I need to do this. Alright, hold on. Get window size. We don't want to do this after the window. We want to do this before. Hold on just a second. What did I do before 15? Because I just got... Show GUI. Okay, so begin set window size. Oh, I'm not using set. Son of a. Set window size. That's why. And what was it with the show instructions? 850. That's what we want. And is it an integer or a float? I can't see. Okay, there we go. So that should work. It's inside. It's set window size, not set next window size. Why didn't I get a thing? Raven compile. So let's start with the default window size. All right. Yeah. A default window size. So default smallest window size. If current size.x is less than, what was the 500? Okay. Is less than 500. Can we do that? So we're going to make it at least 500. These things. Okay, give me the mouse. There we go. It's not big enough. Okay, draggable like that. We're good. Try to drag it smaller. Snaps back to 500. Snap it out and in. Okay. So maybe we could make it a little bit bigger, but I think we're fine. I think it's fine. So now the other thing I want to do is when I've got these right here, like scrolling through these is okay. I guess that's okay. But what if we want to just work on just one shader? Like I just want to work on the vertex shader. I want it to be full screen. Maybe that'll be next. Okay. What do we got? What happened? Who said what? You need to set the current window size this for not set next. Yeah, I got that. Okay. Read chat, add command, read chat. C++ has implicit guess, don't move, get window size out. Finally, by the way, you can use docs. Doc space? Oh. Alright. Bing came through. ChatGPT's over here. I don't know what's going on. So, let's close the Clash. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I'd say we've started to make some progress. I didn't change the version, so I was freaking out a little bit more than usual. Let's go ahead and change the version now, because we're going to change it and break it again. At least that one works, though. That's good. Okay, so I really like this. I actually do. Excuse me. And you know what I think I could do here is make the boxes. And what size is this? Because this is great. You know what we should do is just see. This was 500, so that's probably. Maybe we could even have like a full screen kind of a button. But let's look at this too, because now I'm going crazy with all kinds of stuff. Get line text, hyperdictator, input text, blah, 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 blah. Boom, 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 boom. All right, sorry. Okay, so how do we size these? Data. Oh. So do those, hold on. Oh, I gotcha. I gotcha. I gotcha. Oh, it does. Oh, okay. Inside there. Yeah. Oh, it depends on what's focused. Okay. Hmm. I think I'm okay with that. Yeah. So, so really, that was just silly configuration stuff. Okay, forget all that. Where are we at? Okay, we're on 17. Okay, so snap GUI windows larger. We're done. Okay, let's see if there's anything we can do. I think this is becoming a ChatGPT 3.5 versus being streamed. I'll be right back. While that essay is being written. Line numbers are displayed in the left margin. What? Whoa. Show line numbers true. Okay. If draw line numbers in the left margin. Text color white. Set cursor position. Text colored. Set cursor position. Resnap and size the text box. Draw the text box. Oh. I realize this isn't going to work right out of the box, but worth a try. Wait. What's with all the red lines? Red squigglies in ChatGPT? Input? What? Did I miss anything while I went to wash my hands? Okay. Vertex code lines is a vector of strings where each string represents a line of the vertex shader code. Line numbers are drawn on the left margin. Each line codes represent an input text element, input text callbacks. Okay. TMI. Show line numbers. Button, toggle line numbers, show line numbers. Vertex code lines dot size. Store lines of the vertex shader code. What? In this example, vertex code lines is a vector of strings, where each string represents a line of the vertex shader code. Oh, that's line numbers are drawn on the left margin. Each line of code is represented by an input text element. Input text callback language for resizing the buffer when necessary. Oh, so we have to. So we have to use an input text callback function to resize the line numbers buffer. Oh. Data event flag input text flag resize the buffer string lines equals that. I am assert data above lines. Okay. I'm not convinced. What'd you say? Gotta go. Leave some network for downloading G streamer and prepare for bed. Have a nice stream. Take care, man. I hope the next iteration works better. Downloading G streamer. Okay. Sounds like, is it large? Oh my goodness. Good luck with that. Crazy stuff, man. Vertex shader. Okay, so actually, I might have to make a phone call. Let me stop streaming. I'll make a phone call. It's a very important phone call. Otherwise, I wouldn't stop the stream. So I'll be back.